wait a minute. Feel my heart's contention.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind, on my mind, on my mind, mind.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. You guys remember Coco?
Her bestie was Steve.
So
Orange.
Slide on it.
There's her brother Freddie.
Yeah.
We're going.
Pushing me.
Stop. We're going to Knott's Berry
You
Farm.
said stop.
We are going to Knott's, so this is gonna be like a little Knott's Berry Farm vlog. So yeah.
Sitting all alone, mouth full of gum in the driveway. My friends aren't far, in the back of my car, lay their bodies. Where's my mind? Where's my mind? Maybe it's in the gutter where I left my lover. What an expensive fate. My V is forming dead. I thought that I'd feel better, but now I gotta bellyache.
Maybe it's in the gutter. Maybe it's in the gutter.
They'll be here pretty soon, looking through my room for the money.
2 subscribers. We don't have any videos yet, but you know.
Who's we? You and your
Say
mom?
your YouTube.
Just don't, it's fine.
No? Are you
Yeah.
gonna say your name?
Hi YouTube. I'm over here sitting with Snapchat.
No. That's Tiffany, and that's RJ.
I'm RJ. Nice
This
to
is
meet
Randy Jr.
Randy.
And biting my nails, I'm too young to go to jail.
But I don't want to pay $5 for them. I'm like serious.
you. My mom did. It's only $4.78.
Ew. Ew. Why are you walking like that? Wait, I'm gonna walk like RJ. I'm gonna walk like RJ.
I lost
So I say it. Tiffany, what ride are we on?
Pacific Scrambler. Pacific Scrambler.
Pacific Scrambler.
Man. Oh, look at it's glowing.
I don't mind. Where's my mind? Where's my mind?
Where are they?
Look, Hope Rapids, y'all.
I'm about to get
My V is forming dead. Thought that I'd feel better, but now I gotta bellyache.
Maybe it's in the gutter. But now I gotta. Maybe it's in the gutter. Maybe it's in the gutter. But now I gotta. Maybe it's in the gutter.
One hop this time. One hop this time. Reverse. Come on, hands out. Reverse.
My V is falling dead. Thought that I'd feel better, but now I gotta bellyache. Maybe it's in the
We just went on. Wait, what's this ride called again?
Silver bullet.
We just went on Silver Bullet.
I want to pee myself. I was scared.
Oh my god. These girls helped me. Oh my god. That was
YouTube
so
channel.
terrible. Yep, y'all heard it. I faced my fear and I went on my first loop roller coaster. Oh my god. I'm actually like, I was so scared but like so happy at the same time. If it wasn't for Coco and those two random girls that we met, I probably would have never faced my fear and I probably would have never gone on that ride. So thank you guys.
My V is for vendetta. I thought that I'd feel better, but now I got a bellyache.
Hey guys, I decided to do my outro the next day because I was really tired. We got home from Knott's really late. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I hoped I filmed enough footage. I didn't want to spend my whole time at Knott's filming and vlogging and everything. So I hope I got enough footage, but you guys understand. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And I'll also put the link of my sister's vlog too because she also filmed in the link down below. Bye.